Good morning, classmates. Today I'm your weather forecaster. It is about weather transition. We are now experiencing the transition from El Nino to La Nina. Because of this weather transition every day, most probably in the afternoon, we have rainfall in different places in the Philippines. Since rainy season is starting, we need to prepare our rain protection, just like raincoat or umbrella when we are going to school. Additionally, it is better if we have rain boots to protect also from floods to avoid leptospirosis. Fellow students, especially those kids like me, that please do not play or take a bath under the rainwater because we do not know if it is safe water or contaminated. Please stay in your house to be safe. That's it for the weather forecast for today. I'm Zachariah M. Sensil, is your weather forecaster. Take care, everyone.